octopus tag. Octopus tag? No? Okay, well it's very simple. We're going to have one person start out in the middle of the pool. And everybody else is going to stay on this side. And what you're going to do is everybody as a whole is going to swim over to the other side at once. And the person who's in the middle has to tag people. And if you are tagged, you have to hold onto the tagger's hand in the middle. And then you come back and you keep going until there's no one left. Okay? So let's have Laura be it. Because we know Laura's a swimmer. And our boundaries are going to be the two ladders. So Robbie, I need to bring it in a little bit. So that makes it a little harder on you guys, a little easier at a time.
Can I only tag one person at a time? Can I only tag one person at a time?
You can tag as many people as you want. Yeah. Oh. All right. Ready? Go.
You can take off when they're all in.
Now everyone who got tagged is not going to be in the middle of the floor.
I would put it on white paper for now.
Just in case you get tagged. Oh, then you have to go out back to the other side.
I have paper too. So I have to sit. I'm still put it on white right now. It's not gonna be good. I just want to get it done.
Alright, once TJ gets back, you come back.
Because like I didn't want to put my finger on like
Yeah, you gotta hold
I don't have it all together yet. So like I'm going to throw my logs in there now and then add
Alright, go.
For Thanksgiving, I'm gonna portfolio is very busy.
yeah, me too. I'm like actually organized.
I didn't hear anything about it.
As long as I don't have tons of as long as I don't have tons of other recordings. I took my GRE.
Okay.
Ready? Let's go back. Alright, now we're not going to hold hands because nobody got tagged. Oh, Holly did it? Alright, ready? Go.
Sort of the mess right now.
Come on.
Hey Rach, will you watch this for a second? Yeah. I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Yeah, alright, everyone come back over here.
Remember your philosophy.
From Eric J.
Three of them.
I know, we have more than everybody else.
Ben, you okay? You okay? Yeah, that's fine. I
feel like I'm going to need to jump in and save you, Ben. Oh my God.
What we're going to do now is let's get in the pairs of twos. We could just do two. Yeah.
Yes.
Great.
You assume it'd be better.
All right, and each group is going to get a ball.
Driving early. I'm not Jack, it's a little cold in here.
All right, what we're going to be starting today is we're going to be playing splash ball. Splash ball is kind of like water polo. It's a little easier variation of it. So what we're going to do first is the first partner is just going to play around with the ball a little bit. We're going to get a feel of using soft hands. So first person, let's just bounce the ball back and forth. And as you keep going, get it wider. All right, and then once you got that, you can switch, give it to your partner, and let them practice a little bit. All right. All right, feel it? All right, good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to try to spin the ball on our hand. Very simple. And we're just spinning it. You don't really have to do the finger. So let's practice spinning it. If you can do the finger, you can do that. And then give it to your partner. And this is all about soft hands.
No. He does look like he's about 10.
Alright, then you can give it to your partner and let them try a little bit.
Number 5?
Yes, that's a good idea.
Oh, really? So I try with
Alright. Alright, you guys can just hold on to the balls for now. So, there's a bunch of important rules that we need to follow when we're playing splash ball. A couple of them is you can only catch and throw with one hand. But we're going to change it up a little bit today. We're going to do that you can catch with two hands, but you can only throw with one. Does that make sense to everyone? So you can catch with two hands, only throw with one. And the ball must stay above the water at all times. And there's going to be no contact. I don't want anyone getting hurt today, anyone drowning. We're in the pool, obviously. We're in the deep end. We need to be safe to ourselves and to our peers. So we're going to do a couple throwing drills right now. And the cues I want us to follow are your elbow needs to be higher than your shoulder. When you're throwing, the elbow higher than your shoulder. This is so if you're out of the pool, if you're hitting the water, you're not gonna, your ball is going to not go as far. Okay, and then the wrist flick. The wrist flick is going to give you distance. And then when you're catching, I want diamond hands. Very simple. So let's have, does anybody want to use one of these? No? Anyone need help? We're going to be throwing back and forth. So if you're treading water. No? Okay. So we're going to do it now. Let's have one partner out here in the pool and one on the ledge.
I just get something. I just go with it.
Yeah, one partner out here and one out the water, one on the ledge. So what we're going to do first is we're just going to catch and throw regularly, but remember you need to catch with two hands, throw with one. So let's just throw and catch a little bit.
I didn't hear one, but I wasn't looking for it.
Laura, you might want to get your elbow up a little more. That's why you're hitting the water as you're throwing.
These names.
Can everyone stop for 2 seconds and take a look over here at Andy? He's doing it perfect. All right? And let's have Ryan throw back. Just like that. Catch two hands, elbow higher, wrist flick, and throw. So you guys can keep going.
Would be you using these in the water.
Wait, which is?
Scaffolding is when you release previous stuff to new stuff.
Oh yeah,
So
and
you
then
use it
I'm
all.
thinking about the other one.
Now if we can hold the ball, please.
Pinpoint thing.
If we could spread back out a little more, we're going to go further a little bit. And what we're going to do now is you're going to have the
Been
ball
out of practice for a
that is
while.
in the water. Is Nicky the example? He's not going to start with the ball in his hand. He's going to have the ball on the ground. Then pick it up, get into the throwing position, and throw it to your partner. So let's do that. Go get in the camera right there.
Make a T, step, twist. There you go. Oh no.
Alright, very simple, same.
Kylie might be working on this snap a little bit more.
Nice and loud, nice and loud.
Getting moist.
That's Ben every time.
He is so good.
All right, now what we're going to do, if we could all stop for a minute, we're going to have this side of you guys go to the wall over here, and you guys can come right here. All right, what we're going to do now is this group is going to move up a little bit because you guys have been on the wall. We're going to give this group a chance to relax. And what you're going to do now is you're going to have the ball